Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Cars. Today, we have something truly special, the *2026 Audi A8 the ultimate luxury sedan that blends cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and timeless elegance. Let's dive in and explore what makes the new Audi A8 stand out in the world of luxury cars. The 2026 Audi A8 exudes sophistication and power with its sleek and aerodynamic design. At first glance, the bold, wide single-frame grille stands out, giving this luxury sedan an aggressive yet refined look. Audi's signature LED matrix headlights seamlessly integrate with the sharp lines of the front bumper, making a bold statement as you approach. As we move to the side, the fluid lines of the Audi A8 create a sculptural effect, emphasizing its length and poise. The long wheelbase ensures ample cabin space, and those sharp character lines along the body add a sense of motion, even when the car is standing still. Audi A8 features sleek LED tail lights that mirror the front, ensuring a cohesive, modern look. The rear is clean and understated, with a dual exhaust system that not only enhances the car's sporty appeal but also delivers impressive performance. The rear diffuser helps with aerodynamics, adding to the car's cutting-edge engineering. Now, let's take a look inside, where Audi has created a truly luxurious and futuristic cabin. The moment you open the door, you're greeted by premium Nappa leather upholstery and polished wood accents, creating an atmosphere of elegance and comfort. As you settle into the driver's seat, you'll notice the Audi Virtual Cockpit *. This 12.3-inch high-definition display replaces the traditional instrument cluster, offering a customizable view of everything from navigation to media and vehicle status. It's all designed to keep you focused on the road while offering unparalleled convenience. At the center, the MMI touch response system takes the spotlight. With two large touchscreens, one for the infotainment system and the other for climate controls, the layout is sleek and intuitive. The MMI system integrates with Apple CarPlay *, Android Auto *, and Audi Connect, ensuring seamless connectivity wherever you go. Now, let's talk about the rear seats. The 2026 Audi A8 offers outstanding comfort with ample legroom, heated and ventilated seats, and the option of massaging features. It's perfect for those long journeys or for simply relaxing while being chauffeured around. Speaking of comfort, the rear seats of the Audi A8 are nothing short of luxurious. You'll find two-zone climate control, multiple USB ports, and an entertainment system to keep you connected while on the move. Whether you're taking a business call or enjoying a movie, the A8 has it covered. Practicality meets luxury with a spacious trunk, offering plenty of cargo space for your luggage or shopping bags. And with the hands-free liftgate, you can access the trunk without even lifting a finger, perfect when your hands are full. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi A8 comes with powerful engine options, including a turbocharged V6 and a V8, both providing a thrilling driving experience. With Quattro all-wheel drive and an adaptive air suspension, the A8 provides precise handling and a smooth, comfortable ride no matter the terrain. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising down the highway, the Audi A8 offers incredible power and agility, making it a joy to drive. The advanced adaptive suspension allows the car to adjust to various driving conditions, ensuring that you always enjoy a smooth ride. So, whether you're looking for cutting-edge technology, unparalleled comfort, or exceptional performance, the 2026 Audi A8 truly has it all. From its striking design to its luxurious interior and incredible performance capabilities, this sedan is the epitome of automotive excellence. Thanks for joining us on this walkaround of the 2026 Audi A8 *. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Dream Cars for more exciting car reviews and walkthroughs. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.